This is just a bit of a walk around the current range Zetor Proxima HS120. Now this Proxima range comes in various models, 80 to 120 horsepower. As it stands with Zetor's own engine, own transmission, Carrera front axle and no AdBlue. So this is the HS120 standard spec. So with the HS, you get your electric shuttle lever. You've got 4 gears on your main gear lever, high and low on the small lever at the bottom, and the buttons on the side are upshift and downshift for your power shifts, because there's 3 power shifts in each gear, which can be displayed on the dash. If I just go down, so that's moves to 2 and to 1, back up to 3. So it's a 24x24 transmission. The clutch, there is actually a button on the back, as you can see, a button on the back, so you don't have to press the pedal to change your gears, you can clutch on that button. Now, say at the minute these are no AdBlue, just a straight diesel tractor, a proper spec, mechanical double acting spools ×3. The blue spool's actually piped up to the Dramone push out hitch, various wiper and light controls, electronic PTO on and off on there. Lift arms on this, so it being a standard spec model, are proper old-fashioned lift arm levers, which a lot of people seem to like but don't seem to be able to get. You know, you can have Bosch electro hydraulics on a switch, same as most of the brands, but a lot of people do vouch for the levers. You've got your controls down there for your height, your drop rate, storage space in there, D-plug, fag lighter and power outlet there. For loader work, we have a sunroof which can be shuttered off if so wished. Various light controls on the dash, diff lock, 4-drive, all on there as well. Auto gears, so if you're coming up to a junction or on the road, or you're ploughing and get to the headland or whatever, if you're in a certain gear, it will push you down those power shifts, take you down to the first one, and when you pull away again, it'll go automatically up those power shifts and take you back up again on its own. PTO controls down here, you've got ground speed and engine revs, 540 and 1000 speed. Handbrakes there, passenger seat, which is easy to use, you don't need a degree to work out how to use it like you do on a John Deere. A toolbox in the cab, which contains the toolkit and also even come with like a set of spare light bulbs, PTO stub shaft for changing your speed, opening side windows, which is another thing that a lot of people want but can't have because they're normally a single piece door on a lot of brands. Yeah, to be fair, they're a very nice spec tractor. Your dashboard, I say it's fully electronic. When your PTO is on, your PTO speed displays in there. It's very easy to use, and it tells you everything you need to know. It's very good, to be fair. Very user friendly. Just take a look outside again. This model has air brakes, 4-wheel braking is standard, it'll stop on a 6pence. With the air brakes, they also have a valve on the side, so you come with an airline, plug your airline in there, you can blow your tyres up, blow your radiators out. They think of everything. You've got PTO fender controls, your hydraulic external controls are on the old ratchet type, which works fine, works a dream. Dramone push out pick-up hitch, 3 double acting spools, ABS, air brake couplings, free flow return, trailer brakes hydraulic, double assisted rams, straight mechanical injection pump, no common rail, no electronic injection, with a rod directly to the pump, which is old-fashioned, but it works, and it's worked for a lot of years. It gives a lot less trouble, and if something ever breaks, you can see it and you can mend it. It's not like you need to plug a laptop in to mend that. So yeah, this is a HS120, so this range is the Proxima range you can get from a CL80 up to the HS120, and currently no AdBlue until 2022, when this machine will have to go AdBlue for regulations.